Hey guys, my name's Sidkel. I've been a full-time business owner since I was 18 and a six-figure business owner since I was 20 years old. I'm passionate about Jesus, living in victory, and showing others how to do the same. My channel is going to show you how to go from dreamer to doer. So let's get organized and make a game plan to make your dreams happen. And most importantly, to step into all God has called you to be. Let's do this. We're talking about something very important today when growing your business, and that is growing your network, the people that are around you. Why do you need to do this? Because one, it's great to have a referral system when, working in your industry. Two, it's great to work with other people so you can collaborate. And three, because why not make some more friends? So I'm sharing 3 ways to grow your network of people that you're working with around you. So let's go ahead and get into the video. The first way is to have a strong social media presence and be active on there, engage with people. So this is what I mean. When someone, posts something on their story, say, well, I'm a photographer, so say I'm wanting to partner with a florist. I'm gonna swipe up on their story when I see something and be like, oh my goodness, this is so beautiful. I love it so much. You are so talented. When they post something on Instagram, just a normal post, I'm gonna comment on there, engage with them. If they ask a question, I'm gonna answer that question. I'm gonna keep engaging. That way, when I meet them in person, it's not weird, we're already friends. When you keep, commenting and engaging on social media, this is a way, the number one way I would say, that is to build your network. Most of the people in my field I have became friends with through Instagram, and that way we've been able to have a referral system, we've been able to collaborate, and overall just grow. The second way to grow your network is figuring out what can you offer them. For me, being a photographer, say I'm at a wedding and I see a florist setting up a centerpiece while I'm there shooting already. I'm gonna snap, a few photos of them setting up, and I'm gonna deliver that. And you know what? That is probably going to book me a promotional video for them, or a branding session, or just working with them overall. They can refer my name to different clients that they have, and that's just something I can offer them. It's simple, it doesn't, take any time for me, and that's something that is going to be a long-lasting thing. I don't know what you can offer someone, but figure it out. Even though it's like, oh, I hate doing things for free, blah, blah, blah. Sometimes you need to offer things for free to certain people, and that way you're able to build long-lasting relationships that are gonna last. That's how I've been able to do this over the past 4 years. Like I have, certain florists, certain wedding planners, a baker, and when they book clients, they're gonna give them to me because they trust me, they love me, we've become friends, and it's really taken the load off me, and I'm able to book more, do more, and overall just have people that I can trust and refer my clients to. The third thing is to present yourself as very open and very kind. I know that's very simple, but trust me guys, I've been around long enough to know that there are people out there that are very prestigious and act like, I'm the best. I've been doing this for 10 plus years, and they're rude to other people and make it seem like I'm just high end, blah, blah, blah. And it's like, that's so silly to me because I don't want to work with that. I don't want my clients to work with you. And say I have a wedding that I'm booked on this date, but I don't want to use you because you're rude, so I'm gonna give it to someone that's nicer. So overall, be nice, be an open book. If people have questions, literally give them the answer. I'm just gonna say that because when I started off in photography, I had some different questions about things, and I know some things, come with a price, but something that's very, very simple. You don't have to be rude, you don't have to be standoffish. Put your hand out there because one, that's biblical to be kind and you're gonna reap a harvest. And if you're not biblical, like karma, I don't know, literally, this is a thing that happens and it works. Whatever you put out, you're gonna get back. So if you're putting out kindness, you're gonna get it back. Whatever seeds you plant, you're going to harvest, if it's in good soil. So I'm gonna be kind, I'm gonna reach my hand out, I'm gonna be a good friend to other people around me, even if they are a photographer and that's my competition. The thing is, community over competition every single day, because that's how you grow your network, that's how you expand your business, and that's how people can trust you, love you, refer you, and want to be, with you and near you. So that's all I have for you today. I hope these 3 things are gonna help you grow your business and help you get some collaborations, partnerships with some other people in your area of expertise. If you have any questions, please comment below. And if it's, a very in-depth question or you need this illustration applied to your business, I actually offer hourly Zoom calls on my website where you can ask me any question. I can literally help you get a game plan and get this thing off and running. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye.